Hello, Cardinals. It's Wednesday, October 12th. We are on page 30. We are completing investigation 2.5, measuring gravitational force. And our focus question today is, why do objects speed up, slow down, or change direction? A little reminder, we do have a quiz on Friday. The objectives for this lesson are to analyze and interpret data from investigations on motion. So we're going to be collecting data. We're actually making a graph, talking about the data that we investigate and how that relates to gravitational forces. We're going to be putting out a bunch of objects for you to hold and get an idea of their relative weight. Relative weight means weight compared to a different object. And then part of this lab is to list the objects from highest weight to lowest weight. And what makes some of these objects heavier than others, we'll be sharing that with the group. And then we have 4 terms that you're going to want to have in your notebook for investigation 2.5. They are weight, newtons, mass, and kilogram. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity pulling on an object. Newtons is a measure of force or weight. Mass is how much matter is in an object. And kilogram is a measure of mass. So part of your lab today, you're going to be working as a class. Your teacher will be leading you to develop a plan to investigate the relationship between mass and weight. Off to the right, you can kind of see what we're going to give you. We're going to give you a spring scale. We're going to give you a paper clip to kind of hold some washers. And we're going to kind of create a plan as a group. Then you're going to be investigating the relationship between mass and weight using some washers. You do get a sheet from us. It's a graphing sheet that has a data table and a place to graph. So your to-do list today is to collect data from the washers and seeing how much each one weighs in newtons. You're going to create a graph. There are some questions to answer, and then there's an exit slip that you can see off to the right. We'll have little ones in class, but you're going to figure out the gravitational force of Jupiter versus the Earth. And then why do you believe that's a relationship between mass and weight? And all of this is due on Thursday. You'll hand in your exit slip before you leave class. Good luck, Cardinals.